Hi guys, and today I'm planning to get the helicopter, and in this short I once failed, but something crazy happened at the end. You will see what it is. Just look, I missed a lot of shots to deactivate the ice. It might seem normal, but at the end, you will be shocked and stunned to see. But first, who do you love more, the devil or Jesus? If Jesus, hit the like button and comment a red heart, and now be a good child. Finally, everything was good in here until Jesus made a miracle. God made a miracle. He's always the best and their savior. But he didn't make it for me for just one day. He made it for all day for me. As you can see, the words are there. They just appear. Now they disappear. I really appreciate, oh God. The word will be here soon. Wait. Yep, the word is close to us. Yep, it's finally there. A red heart, what's there? So it means you have to comment a red heart. Alright guys, I know God is our savior. Okay, but alright, bye guys.